Tired of the same 10 things every book tells you to do in Italy? Chances are you have already flipped through many guidebooks and you have read um, endless online lists on topics to do in different locations. But here is the question: are those generic tips actually serving you, your pace, your interests, and most importantly, your travel style? Most Italy travel advice is built for the average tourist, not for you. Hi, I'm Vanya from Designer Italy, and I help independent travelers just like you ditch the one-size-fits-all travel advice and instead plan trips that reflect their style, their pace, and what they actually want from Italy. Today I'm here to tell you why following the crowd might not be a good idea and why it might lead to missing out on what makes Italy truly special, and how to actually create a trip that is unique as you are. So, what's wrong with the guidebooks and popular online lists is that those are great, but only for a quick overview. Those are built for the masses, and that means that everyone is going to the exact same hotspot and is doing the exact same must do checklist things, rushing from one place to another. And if you travel that way, you might find yourself overwhelmed, exhausted, and wondering why you don't feel the magic of Italy. It's just missing. And it's because those generic travel lists don't tell you how to slow down, how to dive deeper, and how to find experiences that truly resonate with your travel style. Travel is personal. It's not about sightseeing, it's about connecting with the place in a way that fits who you are. Are you interested in art and history? Are you interested in food and authentic flavors of the beaten path? Or maybe slow moments in quiet villages? Generic advice can't capture that, but personal recommendations do. They match your personality, your curiosity, and your rhythm, and turn a generic Italy trip into yours and into something memorable. A few years ago, I was working with a Canadian traveler who grew up on a farm but then moved to a big city. And he and his partner were traveling to Italy and wanted to stay in agriturismo. So I found a farm stay in Tuscany with rescued animals. So during their stay, they were able to help with some small daily tasks for the animals. And this brought him back to his roots. And it was very emotional for him. Another client held a private pilot's license and had very deep passion for aviation. So I organized for him a visit to the Italian Air Force Museum near Lake Bracciano, just outside Rome, and it was extremely unique and personalized experience for him. And that's where working with someone who knows the territory deeply comes in. An expert do not recite the usual list. They help you find hidden gems that you wouldn't find yourself. They can point you to things and places that are actually not in the guidebooks, like small piazzas where locals sip coffee, or family-run trattoria that serves homemade pasta, or secret vineyards of the tourist maps. They help you avoid the crowds and the tourist traps and save your energy and time for the experiences that matter most to you. Personalized traveling, it's not about doing everything. It's about doing what actually matters. And this could mean swapping a crowded museum with a cooking class, or going to a small village instead of trying to cram in another city. It's about crafting an itinerary that flows naturally, fits your energy, and leaves room for discovery. Because when a trip reflects your travel style, every day is rewarding. It's not like just being checked off. And when your travel plans are tailored just for you, you don't see Italy, you experience it. And that's the whole point. You connect with the culture, people, and the places in a way that stays with you. It's not about racing through a list, it's about savoring every moment in your own way. So, if you're tired of another generic advice that leaves you with the feeling of being just another tourist, why don't you plan with an insight, a unique trip to Italy? And you can book free 30-minute consultation call with me at the link below. Don't worry, it's just a friendly conversation, no pressure, just to explore some of your ideas. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Vanya from Itinerary Italy, and see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. I'm Vanya from Itinerary Italy, and see you in my next video.